Hi, I'm Dr. Abdelhakim El Gheriani, consultant orthodontist, diplomate in American Board of Orthodontics, and I'd like to tell you about the upcoming TADS Advanced Masterclass course. This is a 2-day program taking place at the CAPP Training Institute in Dubai. In this program, we will review the basics of TADS, looking at the history and the design features, and we will be doing extensive hands-on training. The training will involve placing mini screws and TADS in sheep's mandibles, using the different types of drivers, whether they are the manual straight driver or the motorized driver that's contra-angle. We will also be placing TADS in the different areas of the mouth, including the palate, the retromolar areas, and the infrazygomatic crest. We're also going to be using intraoral scanners. So when we place the TADS in the palate, we will be using the iTero intraoral scanner to simulate a scan, and then on the second day, we will actually place an appliance to simulate placing an appliance in the mouth over the mini screws. This is very exciting, and we look forward to that. We have support from many companies, and we will also be looking at the care and how to prevent TAD failure by taking good oral hygiene. And we will be obviously using one of our local labs that will be manufacturing these appliances that simulate the exercise for appliance placement. This is, we've done it before, it was very well received, and we only hope to improve it, and we hope you can join us. So take care and see you soon.